Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. As you can see by today's title, we are doing crochet butterfly faux locks, and the materials we're using today are the Kalakalam braiding hair along with water wave, some yarn, scissors, and a chair. Any chair will do. So I'm just wrapping the yarn around the chair about 5 times until it's sturdy enough to hold the locks, and then I'm going to cut it and make a knot. To begin my crochet faux locks, I'm using the braiding hair, twisting them about 10 times and then making a knot to secure it. The hair I'm using for my butterfly locks is called the Jamaican Roots. I really love this brand because the curls are nicely secured in a hairnet and they are nice and strong and bouncy. Can you see that bounce, boo? To prepare the water wave hair for wrapping, I cut it in half preferably. You don't have to do the step, it's optional. And then I fluff out the hair to give it some texture and some volume to be able to wrap. To fluff the hair, all I did was separate the curls about a few times to give me more volume, and that's basically it. To begin your wrapping process, you're going to measure one side short and one side long, just like this is, and then place your water wave hair onto your braiding hair and begin to wrap around in one motion. Using your thumb, hold firmly on your braiding hair and your water wave hair and wrap around that. Okay, to achieve the butterfly look, we're using the thumb method. With the thumb method, you're going to wrap over your thumb and then around the top, then let go of that, wrap below that, and this is going to give you the little pop of hair that's left out, like that. And you're going to keep doing this as much time as you want. Me, I'm not really fussy, I just do it whenever it fits in. You know, just let it be cute. And when your lock is done, it should look like this. I'm trying to achieve hip length, so I'm going to extend this a bit further. So again, I'm using my water wave hair, cutting this into 2, then fluffing this out, and place this onto my braiding hair along with the crochet lock that we already did, and extend this lock. So this is how my lock is looking, very cute, very neat. Give me that butterfly vibes, yes girl. So I'm going to do a few more and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to speed past this. But if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will be checking. And yeah, enjoy the video guys. So here's how the locks are looking. So cute. Oh my goodness. I know I said this before, but I'm in love. These are bomb. So now I'm showing you how I extend my faux locks. So just using the same method I did in the beginning, measuring one short, one long with the water wave hair. And I'm placing this onto the faux lock and the braiding hair. I'm using my left hand to grip the hair and then using my right hand to wrap. I'm going to wrap around in one motion. And then I'm following up with this using my thumb to create that butterfly look. Don't forget to wrap tightly at this point because you don't want your hair to slide off because this is extending, and wrapping tightly just make sure it's secured. Okay, to seal my lock, all I did was wrap the locks back up, and I did this by bending the lock up and beginning to wrap around the existing faux lock like this. So I used my thumb as a guide, and once that's done, I pinched it and began to wrap back up. Okay guys, you've made it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. I used about 8 packs of water wave hair and made about 41 of these locks, and only used 38 to install in my client's hair. But if you have any more questions for me or like for me to explain something else, please leave a comment below and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.